Hey guys, welcome back to the another video tutorial of the how we will create the Android virtual device in the Android Studio IDE. So here is the interface of the Android Studio. Inside the AVD manager over here, click on the AVD manager in the Android Studio. So it will open up the Android virtual device manager. Inside here, I have created the multiple Android virtual devices over here. So you can go inside the create a virtual device. So it will give you the different categories of the virtual device for which you can create the virtual device in the and for the Android. So for the Android TV, these are the specifications are given. For the Android phone, these are the multiple specifications are given over here. For Android Wear are also here. Android tablet is also here. For the Android phone, the different versions, different variations of the virtual devices are given over here as the specific screen size is there, screen resolution is there, the density of the particular pixel intensity is there, and the name of the Android devices are also given to you over here, like the Nexus S, Nexus 1, Nexus 5, 6, 4 are over here. Then the different screen size are over here. With the help of the screen size, you can also configure your particular Android virtual device. So select the one, but you can select the either given you can select the either of the given specification, or you can also click on the new hardware profile to give specify your own profile over here. So I can specify over here that is my profile is over here. Then you can select the type of the phone or Android Wear, or the TV is there. I can select the tablet. Then the screen resolution I can also select over here, the resolution of that, the memory location of the RAM that required to execute this particular things you can also give it over here. Then the input, let's say the has the hardware button or not, as the hardware keyboard, you can select the hardware keyboard if you want to give the input to the Android AVD from your particular keyboard for the text and the values that you enter in your applications. And the supported device states the portrait and a landscape. You can also deselect the landscape or the portraits both. While if you are only working on the one state application, you can deselect the landscape, so your application cannot be select the this AVD cannot be specified the landscape orientation. Then the camera specifications are there, then the sensor specification are also there. Then the default screen you can also select from over here, like whichever type of the screen that you want to use, you can also select it from over here. And whenever you will click the OK, it will create the profile with this particular configuration of the hardware. So you can also configure your own profile over here. I will deselect. I will this is just a description about this thing. I will cancel it now. Right over here you can select the Nexus. I will select the Nexus 5 over here from the given specification, and I will click on the next. So it will create the AVD with the help of this particular configuration. So this is the next thing where you have to select the particular API level that you have downloaded in the Android SDK manager. I have downloaded the API level 23 over here. That is what the Marshmallow is there, 6.0 is there, then the Lollipop is there, 24 is there. These are the different system images that are available inside my uh, Android SDK manager. So based on the SDK images, based on the system images, it will list out the different versions over here which you can use for this particular AVD that you are creating. So these are the different versions that I have, different system images that I have for the ice cream sandwich, jelly bean, Kit Kat, lollipop, and the marshmallow. So these are the different things that you can configure. So I will select the lollipop and I will click on the next. So it will give you to the it will give me the description of the AVD, where I can select the name of the AVD over here. I can change the orientation on the pixel and density over here. I can change this version of the Android over here. Startup size and orientation I will also change from over here, and I will finish. I will do this configuration over here. And so if you want to display the advanced settings from over here, then you can also set the memory and the storage devices and the other things over here. So this is how you can when you will click the finish, it will create the AVD for you with this particular configuration. So this is how you can create the Android virtual device in your particular Android virtual device manager in the Android Studio. This is different from the Eclipse AVD creation. So make sure you will take a note about that also in our another tutorial. I will just simply click the cancel right now. So these are the different versions of the AVD that I have created. When you will create a particular AVD with the help of this one, that AVD will be listed out over here. So you have to just select the one particular AVD. You have to just start that particular AVD from over here. The different actions that you can take from over here is the duplicate, wipe the data of the AVD, so on the disk, and use the details of delete and the stop the AVD. You can also edit the configuration with the help of this icon, this edit the AVD, and you can also start the AVD with the help of this button, which will launch the AVD in the emulator. So it will start your emulator with the help of this configuration, and that will be look like this one, that how it will start your particular AVD at the beginning of your particular application. So this is how the AVD configuration is there. Thanks for watching this video, and please do give the feedback in the comments for our better improvement in the next video tutorials. Thank you very much.